Examples include giving an incorrect address, turning off location services, or moving a point away from where you really are on the map.
In a California-wide study, my colleagues and I found that 15% of respondents admitted to providing incorrect address information when asked, and 10% of respondents admitted to moving a point away on the map from their actual locations.
The goal of this project is to create a toolbox of geoprivacy videos that educators can use to help students grapple with the changing privacy landscape.
The videos will cover topics like location data collection from smartphones, IMSI catchers, automated license plate readers, data brokers, and massive geocoding. Key to the success of the Geoprivacy video toolbox is that the videos are entertaining, relatable, and students can draw a personal connection to the topics. The broader goal here is not only to discuss the ethics of location data collection, but also to empower students to take their personal masking into their own hands.
Personal location masking is a means of giving back agency to the individual by allowing you to figure out how much it is you want to share about where you are.
In this case, we might not want to share the location of our very expensive bike.